Hey Matt, how are we getting on? I should say, how are you getting on? Okay, so I'll just whilst we've got we're an hour ahead of normal, so we're only, instead of 5 hours, we're actually 6 hours ahead of the US. I thought, okay, I'll do a power hour stream. It's a little bit earlier for me. I'll finish by 8. Get the trade recap video done. Happy days. Just in case there's some more volatility. It was a good trading day as it happened so far, with the exception of the Gety loss. Went short on Gety, which is kind of strange because I did try to go short on Gety a little bit later and was unable to. Go figure. Gety pulling back now. Below the VWAP. AT&M still not stopped. So there's Actinium Pharmaceutical. This is been just consistently making gains all afternoon. Let's have a look. What else do we have? Renalytics. Looking at Servco. In Servco, it could be interesting. Let me know what you think of this screen format. It's because of the amount I've traded today. Just wanted to see if it was worthwhile me doing it like this. Can you see? Okay. Prefer it the other way. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the stream anyway. Oh, Getty Images has been the one, and funny enough, it looks like it's starting to make another move back up. Oh, look at this. 670. So if it gets above the VWAP, it could be of interest. Actually, not just above the VWAP, 670, so 680. What we're looking for, 675 is pretty much where the 673 is, just over 673 is where the VWAP is. So $0.75. If it gets over the $0.75 mark, then yeah, we're interested. That was quite a big pop though, that. So what's that, about 15 cents? Not bad at all, 16 cents. This time of day. A little bit earlier today than most people would expect me to be on, but that's because of the daylight saving. Quiet. Maybe we'll have some success trading like this. What's going on with the pot stocks? I'll tell you what's going on with the pot stocks. I've eaten them. No, so Schumer says Congress is close to passing marijuana banking and expungement bill. So I have to work with a bunch of Republicans. So basically, it looks like we're going to be getting something sooner or later with regards to legalization of marijuana across the board. And when that news came out, weed stocks started moving. So that's what's going on with the weed stocks. Yeah, safe banking talk, absolutely. Halloween trading, the scary side of the finance industry. I've got nothing to hang my glasses on. That's no good. It's exactly. Well, let's have a look at Sundial for you. Well, Sundial popped up, but it's not holding. I mean, it's 245. It did go up as high as 256. So, I mean, it's still holding its gains, but it's below the VWAP now. It's been bouncing on the VWAP. So it was under 230 earlier today. So it's still up quite a bit today, 7%. I think Tilray was a big mover. Yeah, Tilray was one of the better movers. So if you look at this on the 15-minute, so this is when the news came out. So the news came out, then we've had this move up, and it's we've got a bit of a flag up at the top. So there's potential 15-minute flag. The potential this could still get something out of this today. That's better. Well, Dave, it is Halloween after all. Oh. Canopy growth has moved up big time. Canopy growth is probably one of the biggest movers from the weed stock sector. That's 21% up already. It's coming up to testing highs again. Canopy growth up here at 380s. Not my bag, I'm afraid, Steve. I like the old brewed condiment. I've been very busy today. Well, actually, I've not been that busy. I only traded up until probably, well, for me, normal time, about 3:30 p.m. my time. So it was like an extra hour on the market because we started an hour early because of daylight saving. But yeah, I traded till about 3:30, maybe 4 p.m. whatever. And the big mover for me today has been, well, it's been Gety. Oh, can't see a damn thing with those things on, let alone trade. Don't know what you mean. Excellent thumbnail for the talk. That feels weird now. So canopy growth breaking highs up here at 385. High of days 384. We're just tapping that, so we're getting a bit of a double top. We need to get over 385, otherwise it's risking a kind of a double top formation up here. Head and shoulders. There's a shoulder. There's a head. Come back down for another shoulder. So I would wait for this to break 385, maybe 390, and move on to new highs. This is canopy growth. So canopy growth. So going back to what I was saying earlier is that there's been discussions in Congress to legalize cannabis, of course, and marijuana and weed stocks, but also in terms of safe banking for producers of same. And I suppose that's what it's all about. Has anybody been watching The House of the Dragon? This is White Walker. Well, we're taking in turns in trading, that's what it is. At least now I can wear my glasses. Yes. Not traded H&M today, so this is Actinium Pharmaceutical. I haven't traded it today, but it's moved up huge amounts. Currently 40% up on the day. And the reason for Actinium moving up the way it did is the announced results from phase 3 clinical trials. Positive results from phase 3 clinical trials. Gety making a comeback. Oh, we're looking to break highs here. Currently high of day is 1378. Average range 41. Oh, bloody hell. 41. Only 42 cents on the ATR. There was some good movement on this stock as well. Well, that's a 15-minute chart. So this is the minute chart. So 13 cents. Still not bad. That's exactly what I got them for, Teddy. Get off the trick-or-treaters. Yeah, Metas are falling now right now. Get like my glasses. But Meta, look at this on the 15. This is just hemorrhaging. It's gonna be below $90. It really is. Meta will probably finish below $90 by tomorrow. What's me when the stock halts down? Don't blame me for the stock's halting down. I've not done anything. You could have taken a nice position with Meta this morning, and it was like $97. I could have taken a short position, and rode that down. It's not even short. It's short sale restricted either. So you can short Meta. There's no short. There'll be short sale restrictions tomorrow if it continues selling off. Actually, it's not too bad. It's only down 6%. Gety needs to get above the VWAP. I can't do this. I was trying to get in the spirit, but quite frankly, I can hardly see anything without my glasses on. I can see, but it's all blurry, so. Well, we'll see. I'm looking for a bit of finger motion. Finger motion moving up. No volume though, that's the problem. It's moving up really nicely. I mean, it's gone from 710s to 740. It's like 30-cent move, but no volume to drive it, so you can't really trade that. Not without the volume. Why is this? What's going on here? Benzinga playing silly games with me. Doge. I'm not a big fan of Doge. I don't think Doge will be. Somebody said on Twitter, Doge. This was over the weekend. Doge to $1. I'm like, is that? I had to respond. I'm like, is that post been in your? Is that tweet been in your outbox for a year? Doge is not going to $1 this year at all. At all. Don't know what's going on with the scanners. Playing silly games, I think, by the looks of it. There's plenty of fireworks going off in Ireland. What will the Fed do on Wednesday? I'm thinking 50 base points. I'm not too sure. I can't be 100% sure about that, but only the people that know will be the Fed people involved in the discussions. But I think 50 base points. Yeah, Alex, 10% today. It'll be 10% down tomorrow. Doge. I'm not a big fan of Doge or Shiba in it. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've tried in the bull market. I traded them, and I traded them to the to profitable effect, and I will do that. But they're not long-term holds. Well, let's have a look at the crypto coins. So we say let's have a look at the world of crypto. So whilst there's not a lot moving in the world of stocks and shares right now, let's go to the world of crypto. And obviously, so crypto, Bitcoin is holding above 20k, so 20,300, nearly 20,400 on Bitcoin. Ethereum's holding above 1,500 bucks, 1,563 as it stands right now. Cardano is just over 40 cents. XRP 45 cents. Let's have a look at Doge. Doge versus USD. So currently 12 cents, 12.5 cents. It managed to get up to 15 cents at some stage today. Oh, no, that was over the weekend. It went up to 15 cents over the weekend. So currently 12.5 cents. So Doge, am I a fan? Not really. The only coins that I'm interested in would be one if it had if I had a chow chow on the front instead of a Shiba, whatever you call it. Put a chow chow on the coin and I might buy it just for sentimental reasons. But other than that, these meme coins, they're a joke. I mean, Musk keeps pumping it because it's a joke. It's a meme, literally. So people who are buying Doge because they think it's going to make them rich, I'm sorry, but it ain't. Well, I just tried this because I've had such a busy day today, Alistair. It was difficult to get all of the tickers on, the P&L without encroaching on the scanners. So I thought, sorry, I'll put the scanners at the bottom. It's not like you're all really interested in scanners. You can see them, but who was it? James Acaster said it. Is it the pound sterling? Everybody's freaking out about the value of the pound. I don't know why. It's the same value as it's always been. It's worth £1. And to be fair, there are people genuinely like that don't get it. Getty Images, we're missing it. Back above the VWAP, right? Okay. Let's have a look. Let's take a position. Let's take a position. Now, the high is 88. So back above the VWAP. Pull back to the VWAP. Let's see. Use it as a support. So I mean, that's what you've got to say, Alex. Is all-time highs of Doge versus where it's at now. Is it coming back? Nah, it's having a bounce. We're surprised if Doge is still around in 3 years. Personally, that and a whole bunch of NFTs that can go whistle. High here is 15. 815. Oh, sorry. It's 681. Showing half cents on this, so 681 is where it's at. And Gety been the big winner today for me. Keep looking at other things. What's going on here? Leveraged Fang and Innovation, 3 times leveraged. It's up 800% NFTs. Microsectors Fang. My goodness. Oh. 1847 holdings still up there. That's why, because it's I've just changed them over and I didn't. All right, that's better. Like, what's going on there with the scanners? About 10k, Eddie. About 10 grand. Let me just have a quick look at this. Okay, so reports. Today's 1st of October to today, detailed. Actually, we're not too bad. So yeah, we were 83k on the month before today. So another 7.5. That puts, be quiet. That puts us just over 90k. So we're just under 10k. As it stands right now, we're just under 10k on the month goal. So it's not been a bad month. 10%, variance. Not too bad. No, I can't say I am disappointed. I would have liked it. But we had a cushion. We came into October with a bit of a cushion, so I can't be disappointed. We're still ahead on the year, so that's what matters. Still looking at 85. Take a position at 85 with a tight risk. 10% risk. slightly behind on the only slightly behind, about 16k behind on net. But that's we can catch that up. In November and December. So we're not 16k net, so we're about 10k behind on the net number. Oh, for the year, that is. If I look at this gross number for the year, we are 23k ahead, so we're quarter of a month. Oh, I missed the breakout. Dang. Multitasking is not my strong point. I wanted to get an 85, but see where this takes. I've taken a 2,500 share position. I always scale back in. So it's just because I was a little bit late pulling the trigger there, so I've only taken. I was going to go 5,000 at 685. If we can get over $7, I'll scale in. I want to get back over $7 on this. Look at scaling. Oh, it's finding a little bit of resistance up at $7. That's okay. I know we definitely would have got the 10 cents starting position if I'd got in at 85. And we could have had rolled this up the rest of the way. What I'll do, I'll just put a stop in place there for 85. Regardless. I'm at 92, so I'm risking 7 cents. The low of this candle is 86, so first candle break a new low. That's the rule of thumb. It gets us out. Quiet stream on the tube today, this evening. Not even risking. We're risking about what? $175. Bit of slippage, maybe 200 quid. Still a good day so far. 25 minutes left of the market. Let's see if we can get a rally up to 750. That will be absolutely magic. Hey, super. I've got the stop in place. It's pull back. That's where I was wanting to get up to anyway. I wanted to get an extra 250 bucks, but look, 175. Let's see if we can't find something else to trade. Gety, I think, is done. Although we don't know. Might not be. We'll see. We're kind of bit stopped moving today. Gety Images. Don't ask me why Gety Images was moving today. I've completely forgotten. Okay, so it got mentioned by Kramer earlier today, which normally would send it packing. It got mentioned on CNBC, that's why. So Kramer is right for once. Normally Kramer gets behind something and it capitulates. GameStop, there's a lovely double bottom with GameStop. Let's have a look at GME here. On the 2 minute. See this double bottom here on the 2 minute? So if we get above the $0.75, $28.75, we could be in business. GameStop. Let's go back to Gety. Go on, give it another try. Well, even a broken clock right twice a day, Super Chip. You can't be wrong all his life. Yeah. Welcome to the channel. I'll have a look at a core in a moment, just as soon as I'm done with this trade. A lot of fireworks going off today. Well, I thought we might get a breakout there, but clearly not. So once again, 783. I'm at 93. The low of this one is 83, so I'm giving it 10 cents and I'll just get out. Breaks 83, I'll just get out. There we go. So we're still over 7k up on the day, and that's good enough for me until something else decides to pop up and have a go. Epics. I'm trying to do a red to green. We've still got a lot to do. You know, the volume's kind of died off on this one. It's not looking too bad on the 5 minute, but again, I'm not convinced. There's not enough volume there. What we're struggling with here right now is volume, and this has been the case all week. So, well, all month. It's been the month of low volume. Blurred superfood. What's that? Spinach? Okay, ACO. So the reason I take my time looking at this is it's one of these penny stocks, and I don't trade these penny stocks. If it's less than $2, I don't touch it. Ideally, I don't like to touch it unless it's $3. I did trade Sonn today because that was less than $3, but it was moving up so lovely I couldn't leave it alone, and it met all the criteria other than being under $3 or under $3. But this is pulling me back. No, not looking great at all. So it's 108. It was 64% up on the day. I don't know what. I'm not going into the details on it from a fundamental point of view. I don't know what the catalyst is, but it's breaking hard lows now. So I would say watch for 105. If it breaks below 105, which is previous support level here, if it breaks below 105, it might be done for the day. But if you're thinking of going long, well, I wouldn't. I'm not offering financial advice, not a financial advisor. But if you're thinking of going long, I would wait for 115 confirmation. But 105, and I think it's done. Let's have a look at Hoth. Moved up big earlier. Didn't do much afterwards. Sonn below the VWAP now. Gety, it's getting choppy, so I'm just going to wait for the break of $7. If it breaks $7, I'm interested again with Gety. Other than that, I'm just getting faked out all over the show here. But I expected the markets to be sideways and choppy. I said sideways and choppy. You couldn't get more sideways and choppy than that. But I did expect it to get green today. No, just sideways choppy. This is the SPY. Like I say, you couldn't get more sideways and choppy than that. It's just literally gone nowhere since the open. It opened down here. Oh, let's have a look. It's almost a doji on the daily. Let's look at this on the daily. Almost a doji. See, it's gone nowhere. That's how choppy it is. So it opened at 386. It's currently 387. So it's gone nowhere. That's the market today, the wider market. But there's been quite a bit of volatility, which is good. The volatility is what we need. What's the volume on Gety right now? Gety nearly 10 million. 9.939. So if you look at Gety on a daily, it would normally do about 750k in volume. So it's extremely high volume. Relative volume, it's like more than 10x. It's like 12x or whatever. 13, something like that. It's pulling back now. Let's do a little quick ray line at the top. We've got a descending resistance there. Let's see if it can break that resistance line. We've got the VWAPs kind of static here right now. Horizontal, has been since lunchtime, 12 midday. We have a horizontal VWAP, which basically says that the stock isn't going in any direction. Get above 690 now. I think we might go somewhere. Still waiting for 7, but we'll see. Epic's trying the VWAP. I always look at the volume. Always look at the volume, Super. You're not going to get a breakout if you've not got. But that's why I thought we might get a breakout. We've got an increase in volume here. This green candle as it approached this downwards resistance line, this descending resistance. But let's see. Got rejected at that descending resistance. 690. And that's really where we want to get over now, 690. Anything else moving? Not seeing anything else with any kind of volume or volatility that's moving that's worth taking a punt on. Say taking a punt. It's worth trading. Yeah, so I've lost $400 on Gety. This might pull back down. Let's see. Didn't really want to take a position there. That was a itchy trigger finger. Premature. It's not usually my problem, but let's see. Get over. If we can break this resistance line. What did I get in? 87. About 10 minutes to the open. Oh, 10 minutes to the close, rather. 10 minutes to the open. Go figure. The grand play. I'm trading pre-market. Get over 690. I'll be happy at this stage. I think this stage of the day. Okay, Bowser, you'll be going home today. Your mama's coming for you. So I'm giving it 10 cents. It's okay, dogs. I know you're getting restless with the fireworks, but it is nothing. Break high or low? Well, it's got to do one thing or another. I'm just going to put this up to 77. So I'm giving it 10 cents. I just put the stop at 77. It's right above this where the stop is right now. But I thought, look, sure. We'll either get a bit of support or we won't. The low of these was 78, so I've got to stop just below the previous support. Oh, we're getting a breakout now. Hang, why'd you do that? Right to break 7. I was looking for 695 up to 7. That is just typical. Can we get up there? Breakout. Do it now. Do it now. You know you want to. Come on, Getty images. Back up of 7. Ask right on our average cost. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, between the spreads right now. Well, let's see. Are we going to get this breakout? Are we going to get this move up or a move down? Give it 5 cents, 7 cents now. Oh. That just went, I didn't see that move up. It's trying. Caught between the spreads. We're at 87. The ask is 88. Right, 87 now. I'm just going to get out. This doesn't look like it's going to break out. Doesn't look like it's going to sustain. It's actually looking quite weak right now. Usually when I say it's looking quite weak, it moons. So let's see. $0.75 where I've got stop. I'll leave it there for now. Nice to see it over $7 again. I don't like the look of it though. All these up wicks. Last time. Oh, this is edge of your seat stuff, is this? Oh, it went up there, wasn't quick enough. Come on, stop messing with me. Big fish needs shares. I need price action. Come on. Got a cushion on this. I'm not too worried about losing on this if I have to. But I do want to get ideally above $7. Finish at $7. What are we? 6 minutes at 4 minutes to go. 56. into the close. There's 150. There's 200. Come on, we're looking for 95. That's all we're looking for. 4 more cents. Not exactly showing a lot of strength, this, is it? But this could, it could sell off just as quickly as it could moon. Say moon, it could move up to $7 as quickly as it could move down to $6.80. 10 cents either way. Right now, all it takes is someone of a decent size to start buying and selling. You've got 90 seconds. I'm just going to take some off. There we go. Finish the scratch trade. So we finished 7 grand. Oh, that's why I didn't put a stop in place there, Super Chip. So we're pretty much finished. We've got 10 seconds to the bell. So look, if you've enjoyed the stream, come back tomorrow, 90 minutes before the market opens. So that's well, actually tomorrow it's 12 midday here in Ireland. Same in the UK. It's 8 a.m. on the East Coast or New York time, market time. So I'll be back at it tomorrow. Come back and we'll do it all again. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'll do a trade recap and I'll be reviewing the Gety trade and the Gety trading a little bit later. So look, work away. See you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your evening. See you soon.